All right, thanks for joining me this week, which was actually a week ago. I'm running a bit late, but my week 2 of the Milan art school, we were doing indirect painting of a landscape. Now, I'm not really a landscape painter at all, so this one was really challenging for me. So the idea was you put the really bright colours down, let that dry, and then go over it with the dark, and once again using a subtraction tool, pulling out all the lights. So similar to what we did with the bird the week before, but with the bird we didn't actually do the bright underlayer, which is called indirect painting, I think is what they said. So once that was all dry, then we came back in with the oil paints and started to actually paint the painting and blend with opaque paints. The earlier ones were done with transparent. So I struggled to get really bright colours, but that's alright. It's all a learning curve. So, and like I said, wildlife is my preference for art, not landscape. So you can probably see in the end product. But like I said, we're all learning. It's only week 2. The other section of this week, we seem to be doing a painting a week and a drawing a week. So the other section we've been doing is charcoal. And I love doing charcoal anyway. So we were actually starting to learn like tonal values, doing a scale tool, a value scale, and then actually starting to learn to draw with a scale tool, which I've never actually used before. So that's the little scale tool I've got there. So that's how you transfer from an image across, and you can make it whatever size you want using the scale tool. So it's a very handy little instrument, and pretty easy to make. Mine I bought online, just on eBay, I think. It's only about $12, but you could make them yourself. They're pretty basic. But yeah, so we're just learning different shading techniques using the vine charcoal, and then the charcoal pencil and the compressed charcoal stick. Just learning to get that outside box done first, and then come in with our charcoal for our shading of our looking for our light highlights and our cast shadows, core shadow, all that sort of stuff, which I've done before, so at least that wasn't brand new for me. So I really enjoy doing the charcoal work. So I've had this going full blast speed, not to bore you, but I just thought I'd slow this last little bit down just so you can see a bit of real time. Because I know I hate watching YouTube videos that go on forever, especially painting, because it takes so long. Oil painting especially. So each week I'll just have them, just some short sped up videos, but like I said, I'm running a bit behind already. I knew I would struggle to keep up, but yeah, so anyway, hope you enjoyed that, and just let me know if you have any questions below. Just put them in the comments. Bye.